Hello, sixth graders. I'm going to show you how to access the Schoology notes page for the multiply decimal and divide decimals that you are supposed to copy down into your interactive notebook. So first, you need to open your MySpring ISD page. Once you are in MySpring ISD, click on Schoology. Then you are going to click on your math class. In the middle, you're going to see on the bottom a blue folder, say Unit 1 Rationals. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to go and you're going to see Digital Interactive Notebook. Click on it. Then you're going to see Wednesday, August 19, 2020. Click on it. It will take you here to our digital notebook. And you have to click on Unit 1 because we are in Unit 1. Unit 1 is rational. So you go through this slideshow. On the first page, the video is going to show you how to set up your interactive notebook. Then you're going to see the table of content for Unit 1. Notice that the first two are hyperlinked. So multiply decimals and divide decimals are what you need to do today. So multiply decimal, click on it, and you're going to go to the essential question, the I can statement. Then there is a short introduction video, fluency practice. This is to work with your mental math. Then on this page, this is where you have to copy into your interactive notebook. Now, notice it says copy the following notes in your interactive notebook. This is what you're going to be copying down into your physical notebook. You can click right here to enlarge your screen. You can pause the video if it's going too fast, and you can rewind it as much as you can. After you're done with the notes, then there are some practice problems. There are 4 practice problems. For the words problems, you don't have to copy the words problems. You just have to read them and do them. The answer is on the following page, so you can check yourself if you get it correct or not. If you find that you are struggling and you got only 3 right, or you only got 2 right or 1 right, then you need to attend one of the tutorial sessions and we will help you out. Then on the next page is an optional additional resources. Like this is extra practice. Then when you see the red stop sign, that means you can stop. This is the end of the multiply decimals notes. Right here you see a magnifying glass. If you click on that, it is going to go back to the table of content. So the next notes you need to take is divide decimals. Once again, essential question, I can statement, a little short introduction video, fluency practice. Then once again, it says copy the following notes in your interactive notebook. You need to play this video and copy the notes in your notebook. And then the practice and so forth, so on. Okay, so you're going to do that. Once you're done with that, you need to go back to your Schoology page. on your Schoology page, on the right hand side where it says upcoming, there's the date right here. These are the two assignments that you have to submit in Schoology today. MTH 5.4a number 1. And then after the notes, you need to do multiply and divide decimal notes follow up. When you do this and submit in Schoology, it's telling me that you have done your notes in your notebook. If you have any questions, please send your teacher an email. Thank you.